Hi guys, so in this video I'll show you guys how to make consistent profits, how to win most of your trades every day. All right, you can see this is VIX 75, and also I'll show you guys and teach you guys how to flip accounts no matter how small the account is. You can see this $88 and we've done 3 times of this account already. All right, so I'll show you guys how to do this stuff, how to flip accounts, though this one did not really stack it, how to stack and how to flip accounts as a pro without blowing their account. So I gave these signals to the VIP guys. They are making good profits now. So if you're not in the VIP room, you're missing out. All right, so check the description box to chat me up directly, and also don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. All right, there's a link there to join the free Telegram channel. Like this video and subscribe. All right, so I'll show you guys how to make money consistently, flip accounts consistently, no matter the small, no matter how small the capital is. So in trading, I've realized that it's not everyone it's not everyone that is really poor, truly poor, or poor, or should I say, there's no capital that is really small. Like I said, my cousin that I taught how to, trade. I taught how to trade forex last year. Used $5, turned $5 to $1,100. Yeah, it's real. Everybody saw the screenshot, even the chat and everything. So it's real. It's my own cousin. It's not even someone else that I thought a small cousin that I taught um how to analyze the market. So this stuff is really mindset stuff. Trading is psychology, mostly psychology. So if you don't have a positive mindset, it will be hard for you to make consistent profits, for you to even make profits. Even if you know how to trade, to analyze, if you don't have good psychology, you won't be able to make profits from the market. So what I'm doing today, I'll show you guys how to easily stack and flip small accounts without blowing the accounts. Now, we have here VIX 75. Why did I take the trade and how did I do that? I did not blow the account even when I had a pullback. So now the first thing you need to do is to be sure you know the actual market trend. Though here this is an uptrend, but with my experience, I know that market is likely to change direction this time around. All right, market is likely to change direction this time around. So we have this highest high right there. We have that high right there. Okay, then we have this structure, the liquidity structure right there, and look at that, market is on that liquidity structure already. So it will find it difficult to break that zone. All right, it will find it difficult to break this zone, to find it very difficult to break this zone. All right, so but this where my target is, though it's likely to break all this level down this time around, but it will not happen immediately. All right, it will not happen immediately. Now, why did I sell? I sold because market has been buying for a very long time. Look at the daily time frame. Market moved from this level up to this point. Then market ignored so many levels, so many resistance. Ignored this key resistance, ignored this resistance as well. I waited to sell. Even from this level, started ignoring those resistance. It did not respect those zones. I knew that it will be selling someday. And if this obvious level, market did not respect this level to this point. When I saw it around this level, I know that this was it. This is the key level that market will want to respect. At least it will come down to this other zone. It will come down to this other zone. All right? It will come down to this other zone before going up again. All right, I know it will dance around for a while before coming down. So that's how I knew that it would be dropping. Now it has taken out this liquidity, very key level on the chart. It has taken out that liquidity, which means that market will respect that level and drop. All right, after taking the liquidity, taking out the first sellers. All right, so now on the 4 hours time frame, we see market doing something like this. Market's going up and down, 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 down, up and down. Yeah, market going up and down, up and down. So this time around, markets went up and it was supposed to come down, because whatever goes up comes down. That's the idea. So I knew that it would be coming down because it has created a new high already, which means it will be dropping down, just like this one's created a new high. It goes down. All right. So now I knew that market will be selling from there. And then if you look closely again, sorry, we have this level right there. That's it. There you go. You can see that, right? That's a trend. That's a trend. So market just leave the other side of the trend, the upper side of the trend, which is this side, to be coming down to give us the lower, to this lower side of the trend. So going down to this lower side of the trend to give us a clear, to give us a clear channel, all right? Clear ascending channel. So it's likely coming down to this other side of the trend again. So that's the idea. So even if this, what I'm doing, the first one here, even the first one here, the market is supposed to drop from this resistance is not right. I know that this second one, this trend, this channel here is not, I can't fail. So those two reasons for selling VIX 75, you can see it's hard for market to really fail me. So that's it. Now, how do you stack and flip accounts without blowing your accounts? First of all, when you're making your entry, after you've done your analysis and you have a clear entry, all right, you want to be sure that you have a good entry on the 5 minutes time frame. It's very important. Stay on the 5 minutes time frame, guys. Stay on the 5 minutes time frame, guys. So on the 5 minutes time frame, you want to get some confirmations, good confirmations. What's your confirmation? You want to say strong breakout, a strong breakout. What do I mean by strong breakout? Look at this place here. Market was dancing around when we know that market will be coming down. It was dancing around, consolidating a bit on the 5 minutes time frame here. Then after that, there was a strong breakout. This was a strong breakout. This was the strong breakout. So this strong breakout, market started expanding, dropping down. This shows that we are now going down. So then I could not short it from here. The target I would have entered from here, but I could not short it from here. Dropped down to this point, now went up again. I started coming down. Coming down now, I now realized that it would be selling this way. I opened position and it went up a bit before coming down. Now, when you're selling, if you have $100, if you have $100 capital, you don't risk the whole $100. You know, when you open account, pop, like so many times till you get that margin sound, that sound, boom sound. You have to be sure that you don't hear the sound when you're opening. Observe your free margin as you're opening those positions. Then allow the market to do its stuff, either go up and down. When it's coming down again, is when you're opening more positions. When you see market coming down strong again, is when you're opening more positions. All right, so that you don't just open position, it goes up and blow your account. You don't do like that. When it's coming down again, is when you're opening more positions and it goes down. All right, then even as you're opening more positions, you must not wait to hear that sound. You don't have to hear that sound before you stop opening. You need to give it a room. So if, let's say you have $100 account, you need to risk $80 or $70 so that there will be a little room for market to dance around. When it's going up, it does not break or take you out. And when it's going down, you'll be in profits. And again, someone asked me the other day that I'm a scam, I do this and that. How come that why do I have to open so many positions? Why can't I open just one or two positions, maybe two lot size? The idea is to open many positions with smaller lot size so that you'll be able to open more lot size, bigger lot size. But if you're opening two positions, maybe two lot size, it could give you just two positions. Do you understand? Or one position. But if you're opening so many positions with a smaller lot size, it will give you so many. You will be able to open up to three lot size. Do you understand? Instead of just one lot size, because you're using small lot size. Do you understand? And again, when you're about to get margin call, when you enter, let's say you're selling and market started going down, going up. As it's going up, it will start closing those trade one position after, like one. It start closing them one by one. Okay, it does not close everything automatically. But if you open one lot size, one big lot size, instead of splitting it into tiny lots. Okay, as it's going up, it will just close the account and blow the account immediately. But this one now, it start closing gradually to a point. The market might start reversing again back to your direction. You get the idea now. Fine. So that's the idea. That's how to flip account. All right, that's how to flip account. And to flip accounts, you need a 5 minutes time frame. You need to stay on the 5 minutes time frame to flip the account. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, and you need to understand your trend very well, and also the candlestick, your entry candlesticks. So that's all how to do your flipping. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. If you take a look at all these candlesticks, you can see we have some lapses. You can see like this one here. When this one started dropping, it did not come back to this point again. So there's a way you enter from here and you start going down all the way down till it will never come back to that point again. I wanted to give buy on the VIX 25, but I missed because the entry was not good. Now look at this. This would have been the entry. My God, I missed this trade. I missed this trade. This would have been the entry. You can see that place. I was just looking at it. I saw it around here. This level, I could not enter again. I would have entered from here. You can see once immediately this thing printed out, it did not come back to this point again. So this is very possible to flip this account. You enter from here and it should never come from this place to this place. Even with $20 accounts, you could see like $200, or even if it's $100, it's far better than not making anything at all. So it's very possible to do it. So I don't want this video to be long. I don't really have enough space. So yeah, it's very possible to flip accounts. Okay, to flip accounts, stack accounts, and make money without blowing the accounts if you know what you're doing. So you can see my strategy tells me I'm supposed to enter here. That's why when I saw it around this level, I could not enter again because I've missed my ideal entry. This would have been my ideal entry. I didn't mean I saw this one. I would have made so much profit already. So that is how to make money, bro. If you find this video helpful, please just smash the like button. If you want to learn more about this strategy, my strategy, how I've been doing this stuff, how to get good entries and all, just check the description box to chat me up. My link is there to chat me on WhatsApp or Telegram. All right. So, and also join the free Telegram channel. Please like this video, share with friends. Hello traders, the major is right here. I know every one of us want to make consistent profits. We want to flip little accounts, $100 to $500, $1,000, $2,000, even $10,000. Yeah, but it seems it's not possible. But I'm here today to let you know that it's very possible to flip an account. If you want to know how to do the account flipping, like what you're seeing right now, I could move $7 to $1,000 and more. If you check my channel, you see a lot of videos and proofs like this. Okay, so just check the description box to chat me up to join the academy. The academy is up, so join the academy and also subscribe to VIP Signal. Let's make